In this video, we ceramic coat the McLaren 720S, giving it 5 years of protection. If you want to see that process, stick around. If you haven't subscribed but enjoy this content, please hit that subscribe button. It helps a lot.
Hi guys, right, so we've got the 720, we're going to give that a contact wash and then we're going to get it paint corrected, get some snow foam on it, and then we'll get it all cleaned up.
Now we're on to paint corrections. We only need to give this car a tickle really because it's pretty much perfect and we're just kind of preparing it for ceramic coating. Yes! Now that it's paint corrected, I'll use panel white to go round to remove any remaining residue.
We've paint corrected the McLaren as much as we can. A lot of the front end has PPF on the front of it. Can't really correct that, and to be honest, it doesn't need it anyway. So yeah, we're going to apply some Crystal Serum Light to the car. It's a 5-year coating. Once we apply it, you get very limited time to work with it. It's fairly forgiving, but we will wait for it to flash on the car. It'll be like a sort of rainbow effect. We'll wipe it, polish it, or buff it I should say, and then that will be the first part of the ceramic coating down, and then we'll move on to EXO, which is hydrophobics on top after. So yeah, let's get cracking with this. Different ceramic coatings come with different things. Some are droppers, and you know, this one's got a wee pipette, whatever you want to call it. So this is my little station because I do not want to drop that because I don't have any more. I've also got a stack of cloths ready because once you apply this stuff, you need to use fresh cloths. You don't want to be overlapping. You get as much out of this cloth as we can. Once we're done with the cloth, that's going to go in the bin because it will go solid, and you don't want to take that. You want to use that on a car afterwards. So what we'll do is we'll start with this wing. We'll ceramic coat here. This is a sort of small enough area to work with, and yeah, right, so we'll get, I should know the instructions for this, but I think it was 2 full pipettes onto there, and what we'll do is we'll leave that like that. Alright, and now Now what we do is we work this in slight overlapping motions, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it leaves this sort of smeary. So once I've done it all in this direction, I will quickly go back round like this, so that I basically cover everything, just in case I've missed any areas. And as I said before, I'll only work to a sort of smallish part. I mean, this wing's not too bad. The bonnet, I probably won't do that in one piece. Some people probably would, but I like to make sure that I cover absolutely every bit. Basically repeat this process. So I probably don't need 2 on there now, because you sort of prime the pad, so there'll be a bit of moisture in that now. So what I'll do is I'll start with round the headlight. I'll do same again. Work our way around the whole car, and we'll basically just follow that same motion backwards and forwards, and kind of like cross hatch it. We've done CSL, G-Technics ceramic coating. That was the first coat, or the base coat, and now we're going to put on EXO, which is the top coat basically. This is hydrophobics. So what we do is a similar process to the ceramic coating, except it's not a pipette in this, it's just a dropper. So what we'll do is whoa, that comes out way faster than I was planning, but yeah, you basically want a couple of drops, similar, just kind of prime the pad I suppose. And then we shall put a couple more drops on. There we go. And then same process basically. Right, what I'll do, just so I know where I've coated, I will, 1 second, I'm going to take it up to this line and basically do this entire rear quarter. So I can use that line as my reference point. Do is I'll go around the outside of the wing, put a little bit more on, and then I'll just go backwards and forwards and pick up the rest of the wing. This way. What we'll do is I'll pick up the underside of the wing as well, make sure.
That's us pretty much wrapped up here, guys. All that's left to do is to buff the car and we're completed. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Honestly, it really does help. If you stick around for another 30 seconds, you'll get to see some of the outtakes.
Has PPF on the front of it, paint, film, we've put down some, stop, just 1 second, panel white. It's because they all have a different name, that's the problem. Welcome back, is it? So welcome back to, yeah, welcome back. I should have said the next video will be, oh my fucking god. How you on detailing, guys? So in the last bit, what the fuck was that? We'll start that again, right? Good.